Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily, where you subscribe for daily videos on everything going on in cryptocurrency. Let's talk about what's going on in the cryptocurrency market. This is information that you need to know. Let's start with the Bitcoin price chart. Bitcoin is a market mover. We're on the weekly time frame. It's looking like Bitcoin is going to close the week below $30,000. I mean, either way, we're closing the week in the red, and that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red weekly candles. Bitcoin working on a 7th red consecutive weekly candle, which, from what I can tell, has never happened before. Cryptocurrency is going through a major financial crash. There's no getting around that. From the price dipping, from it being correlated with traditional markets which are dipping, from protocols failing, what we're seeing in cryptocurrency today, if you make it through, you will be able to tell the next generation of crypto participants about. And consider this. 2008 financial crash made more millionaires than it destroyed. Financial crashes tend to redistribute wealth. People that take smart risks and have really thought out their moves tend to make crazy money out of terrible situations. Be greedy when others are fearful. I agree with that. Personally, I've made the most money in cryptocurrency from sticking with crypto during the lowest, most boring times. I'm talking about 2018, 2019, 2020, being in crypto during those low, boring times and sticking with it. So I'm there for the very beginning of the bull run, the middle of the bull run, the end of the bull run, and you never really can tell till, time passes that you were part of it, but the point is you didn't FOMO in too late. Now, let's think of not the worst case, but the slowest case for our bags to go up, for Bitcoin and crypto to enter the next leg up. What's not the worst case, but the slowest case? Every major Bitcoin bull run begins with the halving, but people are too impatient to believe that that's the case. So they just say the halving doesn't matter anymore. Totally foolish. We're about 2 years away from Bitcoin's next halving. That has always been a catalyst, and Bitcoin has always pulled up the rest of the market. But will we even have to wait for the halving? Coinbase weekly volume is actually starting to look decent. It's just hard to think the bear market would end so soon since the 2024 halving is so far away. A recovery is going to be largely dependent on the stock market. Weekly volume could still continue to grow. And, of course, we did just pass the second anniversary of Bitcoin's third halving. 2 years after Bitcoin's third halving, 2 years from the next halving, a small reminder that every 4 years, the world's hardest money gets even harder. But there's so many other catalysts in cryptocurrency than just the Bitcoin halving nowadays. Ethereum transaction volume just hit an 11th month high. Ethereum continues to update. It continues to move towards the merge. In fact, Ethereum devs have now agreed on a TTD, terminal total difficulty, for the merge upgrade on the Ropsten testnet. This means that Ethereum's testnet will have the merge transition around June 8th. Ethereum's testnet will merge June 8th, and then the merge for the full network is coming soon after that. So when people want to manage risk, they usually head towards Bitcoin. And people are doing that still. But what's really interesting, it seems that many people, if not the majority in this last major dip, are heading towards ETH. Now, there's possibly many reasons why this is happening. ETH is a lot more mature than past years. Ethereum has a great narrative heading into the merge. My personal speculation is that it's so much easier when you're getting out of altcoins or NFTs or DeFi or whatever. It's so much easier to put money into ETH than it is Bitcoin because everything is ETH compatible. Either way, listen to the Chainalysis CEO talk about this. Really interesting.
So the trends is that clearly BTC is still seen. So typically all of crypto are what I would call risk-on assets. So it means that as soon as the market is more risk tolerant and wants more risk, then they move into crypto. Of all the crypto assets, Bitcoin is usually the one that's like signals less risk, so more like a risk-off assets in all of the high-risk assets that we have here. And we usually see that like people go to Bitcoin if everything else is unstable. And I think what we have seen today, and at least like my observations, is that typically more people move away from ETH and into Bitcoin that we've seen right now. And right now, I think that my conclusion of the market right now is that ETH have actually become an even more behaving as Bitcoin, as seen as a less risky assets right now, and even in the time right now. So the average value from Bitcoin to ETH is typically somewhere between 12 and 15. Right now, it's 14 point something. And I would say that what we are seeing on that trend is that like it could have gotten down to 15 or 16 or so ETH per Bitcoin, but it hasn't gone that direction. So I see that ETH over the time have matured.
Attention crypto holders, attention crypto traders. Do you invest in crypto? Do you trade crypto? If yes, I have a major opportunity that I need to clue you into. Most people in crypto do not know that they can take advantage of this. You should be investing, you should be trading with Choice IRA app, a retirement account. Trade, invest with Choice, and you pay zero capital gains tax. They offer thousands of traditional assets and tons of crypto assets. You can buy crypto with Choice. You can trade crypto with Choice. These guys are a proud sponsor of our channel. You could hold your own keys if you want. Their fees are low and highly competitive. The bottom line is, if you think your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cryptocurrency assets are going to be worth a lot of money in the long term, why not put a portion of your stack in the Choice app so you won't have to pay any capital gains tax? Your future self will thank you. Take advantage of this. Use our link and receive $50 in free Bitcoin when you set up an account. Take advantage of this. Let me know if you did. Let's continue updating you on what's going on in cryptocurrency. Instagram now shows which blockchain NFTs are on. Take a look at this screenshot. You can see right here, this collectible is an NFT on the Ethereum blockchain. This is on Instagram. This is a big deal. Very cool to see. Talking about Ethereum Layer 2's daily transactions on Optimism, OP, hits new all-time high of 215,790. It's great to see ETH Layer 2's trend up like this. Now, it's not just Ethereum, obviously. There's plenty going on in cryptocurrency. For example, amidst the market carnage, Solana DeFi has been steadily growing. Daily active users up 380% in the past 90 days. So not just 24 hours. This is not no outlier. In the past 90 days, 380%. Things change pretty fast in cryptocurrency. 1 week ago today, Luna was $80, current price practically zero. If you put 10K into Luna a week ago, it is now worth a sixth of a penny. When people talk about the risks in cryptocurrency, this is surely one of the reasons and the ways risks present itself in crypto. Yet, through darkness, there is always light. In the darkest times, art usually flourishes, and hopefully I can play this on YouTube. This is a hate crime, in my opinion, and a very catchy song. Check this out. Very cool.
I don't care about your crypto, boy. Not at all, not even one Bitcoin. CEO of being unemployed. I got nothing left to give, no, to another crypto, boy. You care more about your currency than you do about us currently. I don't need much, no private key to open up and talk honestly. Cause you're an addict getting mad, you better mask what you mean. In every single conversation, you're out in open sea. It's been so long, so either one, you choose your wallet or me. Well, better hope you're getting laid in Web3.
My name is Aaron at Altcoin Daily. See you tomorrow, my friends.